Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we will solve a question for the x, and our given question is 8x cube is equals to 8, and for this purpose, in order to solve this question, first we should cancel out both of 8 and we should get x cube is equals to 1, because this 8 will move to the other side of the equation and will go in division with this 8 and will cancel out together. So here I directly cancel out both of 8 and I got x cube is equals to 1. Now in the next step, this 1 will move to the other side of the equation and it will convert into -1, and equal to 0 will come out after moving this 1 to the other side of the equation. So in the next step we can write this equation as x cube minus 1 will remain same, but this 1 can be written as 1 is to power cube in order to make a cube minus b cube formula. And if this is a and if this value is b and both having sign cube and minus sign between the values, it can be this value can be expanded from a cube minus b cube formula, which is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab into b square. So if this x is a and this one is b, and this value can be expanded according to this formula, then this formula after this value after expanding according to this formula can be written as x minus 1 into x square plus x into 1 plus 1, because this a will replace with x and this b will replace with 1, and we will get x minus 1 in first bracket, and this a will replace with this x and we should get x square plus sign is same as before. This a will replace with x, this b will replace with 1 and this b will replace with 1, and after squaring this one will be converted into 1. Now in the first step we should simplify this x minus 1 for the value of x, and for this purpose we should take x minus 1 equal to 0, and now this 1 will move to the other side of the equation and it will convert from -1 to +1, and we will get the first value of x, which is x is equals to 1, and this is the first value for this expression for the x. Now in the next step we should simplify this equation, which is x square plus x into 1 plus 1, and for this purpose we should take x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0, because this x when this x will multiply with this one we should get x. Now you can see that this equation is a quadratic equation, but this is not a factorizable equation. It means that here we apply the quadratic formula, and as we know that if we want to apply a quadratic formula on a quadratic equation, first we should compare this equation with a standard quadratic equation, which is ax square plus bx plus c. This is a standard quadratic equation, and when we compare this standard quadratic equation from our given equation, we should get the value of a, b and c. Here we compare both values, then the value of a will be equal to 1, because the coefficient of x square in our given equation will be equal to a, and which is 1. The coefficient of x will be equal to b, which is 1, and the coefficient or the value having no variable will be equal to c, and which is 1. Now as we know that the quadratic equation is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and in this formula we will replace the value of a, b and c from 1, 1 and 1, and we should get, after replacing the value of a plus b and c, we should get -1 plus minus under root 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 1 over 2 into 1, because this b replaced with 1 and we should get -1 plus minus will remain same. This b replaced with 1 and we should get 1 square minus 4 is remain same, a and c will replace with this 1, 2 is same as before, and this a will replace with 1. And after simplifying this equation we should get -1 will remain same, plus minus will remain same, but this under root value will convert or after simplifying will convert into -3, because this is the 4. When we multiply these three value we should get -4, and 1 will be subtract from this -4, we should get -3, and over 2, because this 2 will multiply with this 1 and we should get 2. Now in the next step here we can see that here we get two values for this x. First is minus 1 plus under root minus 3 over 2, and as we know that this equation is equal to omega, because from the cube root of unity or basic cube root of unity, this value will be equal to omega. And this value also can be written as under x is equal to minus 1 plus under root 3 iota over 2, because this minus 1 will convert into iota square and it will come out from the root, and this value will be equal to iota. So this is the second value for this x. Now we can see that here first we simplify for plus value which is having in mid sign. And now the next value from this expression we should get x is equal to minus 1 minus under root minus 3 over 2, and this value will be equal to omega square according to cube root of unity, and this value can be written as also minus 1 minus under root 3 iota over 2, because this minus 1 which is are existing inside the root can be written as iota, or this value can be written with iota if I replace or I remove this minus sign from the root. So this is the third value for this expression. So here we get three values for this expression. First is x is equal to 1, second is x minus 1 plus under root 3 iota over 2, and third is x is equal to minus 1 minus under root 3 iota over 2, and this is the three values for this expression. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.